Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive repair guide for the Conga 3090 laser wheel. Today, we will cover everything from the tools you'll need to the step-by-step process of repairing the wheel. Let's dive into the details. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, a clean cloth, lubricant for the wheel mechanism, replacement parts if necessary, such as a new wheel or bearings. Start by ensuring your Conga 3090 is powered off and unplugged. Safety is paramount when working with electronic devices. Next, flip the device upside down to access the wheel assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the wheel cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe location, you will need them later. Once the cover is off, inspect the wheel for any visible damage. If the wheel is cracked or worn, it may need to be replaced. Remember, if you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. If the wheel seems fine, proceed to clean the internal components. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure smooth operation once you reassemble the unit. It's crucial to maintain cleanliness in this area to avoid future issues. After cleaning, apply a small amount of lubricant to the wheel mechanism. This will help in reducing friction and ensuring smooth movement. Now, if your wheel requires replacement, take the old wheel off gently using pliers, and replace it with a new one. Make sure to align it correctly and secure it back in place with the screws you previously removed. Once everything is secured, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly and use your Phillips screwdriver to fasten the screws. Make sure they are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the cover. Before concluding, let's highlight our services once more. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that you're aware of any issues before you commit to repairs. And remember, if you need assistance at any point, our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Finally, flip the device back over, plug it in, and power it on. Test the wheel to ensure it operates smoothly. If you notice any persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. With these steps, you should be able to repair the wheel of your Conga 3090 laser effectively. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.